Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to use built-in Surface level on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and click on Edge Panel. After click on Edge Panel, make sure turn on Edge Panel button and click on Panels and select Tools. After select Tools, go back to Home screen and you will see and click on Cancel. If you want to use built-in Surface, click on this three dot icon and click on Surface level. After click on Surface level and you will see use Surface level from here. After use Surface level, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use built-in Surface level on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.